Are you thinking After Effects is broken in 2019? Just because it's missing the H.264 codec that gives you that really small file size in After Effects? Boy, do I have a surprise for you. Stick around. Tyler here from Video Editing with Tyler White, and if you want to learn how to edit video like a pro, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss anything. So once you have After Effects opened up, the first thing we'll do is we'll grab our footage, drag it into a composition. Then we're going to go up here to composition, we're going to select add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. What that'll do is that opens up Media Encoder, and if you're not familiar with what Media Encoder is, it's a program that you can install inside of the Adobe Creative Cloud, and it usually automatically installs whenever you download After Effects, but if it hasn't done so already, go down here to Media Encoder and then install it and it'll work just fine. Once that's opened up, you're going to just click on this little drop down arrow here, make sure that it has H.264 selected, and then we're going to go over here and click on this link. What that's going to do is it's going to open up your export settings, and I did a full in-depth video on export settings inside of Adobe products. If you're interested in that video, I'll go ahead and link that in the YouTube cards now, but for now, we're just going to run through it really quick. So I have H.264 selected for my format. Preset's going to be high quality 1920 by 1080. This is a custom preset that I've created. I show you how to do that in that video in the YouTube cards. And then my output name, I'm just going to name this test video. And then I will save this to passport. That's where the video is going to be saved at. I'm going to go down here, make sure my width and height 1920 by 1080, that's correct. Frame rate 23.976, that's what I want to export my frame rate at. Field order progressive, square pixels for the aspect. Make sure that render at maximum depth is checked. Performance, software encoding. Profile is going to be set to high, and the level is going to be 4.2. Bitrate encoding, this is really important. Make sure it's set to CBR, and then target bitrate is going to be set to 40. It's going to give you that maximum quality. It's going to make it look perfect. And then you're going to go over to your audio and just make sure that your audio quality is set to high. You don't need to mess with anything else. And then check use maximum render quality. And then you're just going to press OK. After that, you're just going to go up here to where it says play. And you're going to click play, and that's going to render your video. Continue to perfect your skills by checking out this video. Edit like a pro by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss anything. I'll see you in the next video.